Hey there, welcome to my channel Craftility. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful greeting card. If you are new here, then please subscribe to my channel and click bell icon to get notifications of latest videos. I'm using a card which measures 21 by 28 centimeters. Now take any dark color texture paper. I have created a texture on black paper. Now take a square piece of paper which measures 8 by 8 centimeters. Now grab a pencil and draw a petal shape on it. Now take a pair of scissors and cut it. Now open all the folds and your flower is ready. Take a sketch pen and draw outlines and also few lines in the center of a flower. Create such flowers in different sizes. Now take contrast color paper. I am using yellow color and punch few flowers. Now take a green piece of paper which is 2 inches broad and the width depends upon the number of folds you want. Fold the paper and draw some leaves on it. By this technique, we can create multiple leaves in just one attempt. And also punch few more leaves. Now take a white paper which measures 3 by 1 inch and fold it from center. And then cut it to create ribbon-like shape. Now all the elements of card are ready. It's time to glue them. First we'll start by sticking the texture paper on card. Now we'll stick the ribbon but we'll apply the glue only on one side. Now take the flower and hold on your palm and take a pencil and just slightly press in the center to create a dome-like shape. This can give 3D look to the flowers. Now it's time to stick all the leaves on the card. So this card is ready. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in next video. Till then, happy crafting.